bam. Asharamuta. Asharambia. Yes, now your girl Nicole, they in the building. I welcome everybody to this YouTube channel. See, mami, una no move una. See pass for outside to una enter with see pass. Una mash the floor anyhow. Una walk on top the carpet for the particular house. Una janjan wall. See, na me. I be landlord for the house. So na fit do anything. Na even jeg and self go up and down. Problem no day. Una place day. I welcome everybody wey don dey watch me and those wey dey stick am for here sweet story. Today we dey talk about Kobos and Grandive. Mommy K and Grandive. Their place day. But before that I beg, any man you know what subscribe for this channel, if you know what, press that red button. I beg, help a sister, help a dying sister, help a sister. I beg una push before una press that button. You know go pay 100,000. You know go pay nothing for press that subscription button. Now just to push your sister forward. Yes. About Enanga Monono and Grandive, their matter. Mommy K, una place day. After una don't tear social media. After una don't tumble side the whole place. Una don't give people heat. So they sweat. They remove all of the common for their armpits. Last, una don't shidon. Una take cup of water. Una share una too. Chai. See, I would have feel really put people them no problem. You and Grandive, Mommy K, you and Grandive. Una fit put people for problem. So una begin to knock all the una head and so una the janja wa head and so see here una begin for can make up. Boza for una. Boza for una. Boza for una again. Be happy. What a great news. Plenty people they don't ask. Enanga Monono came out openly. She came out public. She came and apologized to Grandive. We Grandive accept. Enanga Monono, why did you apologize? Enanga Monono, what happened? You apologize? I say, how far? What I know? Now una be CEO of Learn and Laugh Talk Show. Or now una be CEO of Travel with Grandive. Which of them? Why una get for enter the matter? Like say the matter from the beginning. Una know about the matter. Some people they enter the matter like say the matter. It be just been a say the matter get for remain so. No, it more end. Anything that has a beginning has an ending. Anything that has an ending has a beginning. So, Grandive and Kobolistica Kobos, they cease fire yesterday officially. That means that the war has been ended. No beefing again. No throwing of insult again. Nothing. Because Grandive talks, the beefing, it don't tire. Yes. Mommy K, it talks say the beefing, it don't tire. So Kobolistic, in and Grandive, they don't last stop the fight officially yesterday. Grandive explains say yes, they don't come back 1 or 2 times or number 5 times. But they come back, no be na la come back way. Any man they look if you want on the eye. That can come back way. Any man he gather if any man in Ghana, friend was on side say, boy, if you catch me Sunday, I didn't tell you nothing. Boy, if you took me fire, you understand that kind of thing, no? And that kind of coming back way, we've been a real coming back. That kind of coming back way, no man no express a feeling. No man no talk say, on this day, on the 1995 or 1968, you be do me the one for 1974 for January. You be no man no be talking. They be just say sorry, it be end so. But this particular coming back, any man to way on talk for down. Any man talk his own talk for a friend. They talk. So they last. They can see and say devil be enter for the matter. Because some particular people deny say, hey, Grandile, why you want leave the matter? They go right see. No leave them. Some of them, they go right Kobos. Why you want leave the matter? No leave them. Na lie. They go leave them. They don't leave the matter. Una go die. Una go die bony neck. Oshofri go kill una. No leave the matter. Kill una there. Because no. Gandhi we not tired. You understand no? Mommy not old. You understand no? Mommy say, you see the beefy so. I won't put my hand for up. Yeah. So Gandhi we officially called off the fire, the war yesterday. He say he na a friend, he na a sister. They don't make peace. And he tell we the reason why they aggravate. He also tell we say Mommy K, that's Kobolistical Kobos, no be only a friend, na a sister. They be friends. Then they can realize later say they be being as sisters them. So they end the whole story, the whole beefing, the whole war, because they be all really tumbusa our head. Then the chakara we all side for social media. That means say if you just see Kobolistical Kobos in face or poster so bam, you just hear wait to come up for grand even more up. That means if you just go that house now, you hear you will just fear as you just see that poster Kobolistical Kobo, you fear na fear. When we enter that house because that talk then you go wild. Yes. So all the thing then Kobo na person way it be very peaceful, like how we grand were talking say Kobolistic na very peaceful person, no like a problem, you know, like he say me and you exchange blow, you know, like all the plenty fight them, it will be done tire. So they seized their fire officially yesterday, and Gandhi promise we the Kobolistic fans and the grinders say they no go beef again. If you want block about Kobos, he go vlog about Kobos like an entertainer. Gandhi also apologize. Just imagine the unapologetic vlogger. He apologizes today. How far? That means no, the matter don't end. If you imagine the unapologetic, he apologize. That means no, he take his sword when he use a fight war, he put her down, he knee down, he say no, I be sorry. You know, be careful escalate so, una leave and so, una be calming down, a little, una be calming down. Gandhi, your place there. Kobolistic. I atuale for you, mama. You been a person we know. You don't always be a good person. Gandhi, YouTube don't always be a good person. Forget about all this blogging. When I get a good heart. Yes. So now only try for hold up this peace. Make it continue. Why are the talk so na say? When peace day, Na time where Satan the one come pass inside for bring war. Because if una start war again, na only me, I go the vlog about una too. In short, all we the Kobolistic fans and the grinders who go put una for down, lay una 34. Because una don't come, una don't start, una no go even start again. Even una get problem, I will solve and go backside house. It remain for day. Yes. We be even get for lay una be get for throw whiskey for down. For we the Kobolistic fan and grinders them. For sorry we sorry una don't apologize, una ask me if we don't agree. Una not even ask those the way they follow una if they don't agree the apology bets. We don't accept say apologies accepted. Una they go on una day-to-day activity, normal social media stuff quietly and peacefully. Granddive also talk say they do a GoFundMe. So the money don't come out 500 euros. See, Granddive, see, you see that money? So myself I marry tomorrow. My married the next month. Oh, Granddive must do GoFundMe for me too. I no day for that kind of wayo. That means say no, so where you are couple now don't just start. You don't just start go for me so the money don't reach 700 euro. No try me, oh. Don't try me, oh. Granddive, I don't like that kind of pasha. My own market day next month, you get for do go for me. So, now so the matter take a end yesterday. And matter for Granddive and Kobos be solved officially. I go upload a video where Granddive talk about the matter, the whole story yesterday. I don't know me how to do editing, so I just upload all thing for day. Yes, I upload all thing. I beg if you never subscribe, try to subscribe, oh, because I am going to bring you just the hottest, everything. Hottest gist that they come. They don't last, come back. Yeah. So, I leave you guys with this food for thought. Everything that has a beginning has an ending. So, Granddive and Kobolistica Kobos, their fight will be a beginning. It don't end yesterday. Thank you very much. This is your girl Nikita in the building. And people they want to drones them. And then they send my drones them again for the bad part of